Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brenda Joseph, and today I'm going to show you the simple and cheap tools which you can start with. And right now I am going to start with showing you planes. That one is called a jacker plane number 4. You can start with that one. Then we have this one, jacker plane number 5. That one is multi-purpose. You can use it from the beginning up to the end. Just a matter of setting it. And then I have another one which is called ribbed plane. This one is used for making ribbed joints and drawing lines along, maybe if you want to decorate your door. That's the tool. Then we have this one called a spoke shape. Spoke shape is also good. It is used for smoothing curved edges in wood. So those are the tools. And then we have what we call measuring tools. I have some here. You have that one. It's a tape measure. It's 7.5 feet. It's a bigger one. If you have money, you can buy that one. But if you don't have money, you can also buy this one, this small size. Actually, it is only 3 meters, and you can start with that one. It can also do the work, especially when you are in the workshop. And then we have that one also. It has got inches, centimeters, and some and feet. Then we have come to this one is called a hand saw. Then we have hacksaw. Hacksaw is good for cutting some nails or metals in the workshop. Then the next one is this one is called a brace. A brace is also good for drilling holes in the wood. That one is twisted bit. Twisted bit is mainly for metal, but we can also use it in that one. Then we have this one also. It's also good. And then we have this one. It's also for drilling large holes in the wood. So if you have those ones, you can start. The next tool is a tri-square. This one is also good for testing right angles. Then we have that one. It's called a speed square. But if you don't have money, you can not buy that one. They are very rare. They can be used even on roof. But if you don't have money, you just give up and leave. Try square. It is only good in the workshop. You can use it. Then we have the screwdrivers. Screwdriver, we have two types. That one is star, then that one is minus, or it is flat. You can use it in the workshop. And the star is also used by star head. Then this one can't work there. So what you do, you have to look for the flat one, for the flat screws. There's a screw which I'm looking here. I think, yeah, this one. is for flat screwdrivers. So you have to get two types of them. The next tool is a sash clamp. This one is also good. You have to buy it. If you don't have this one in the workshop, which means your joints, they are going to be loose. There's no way you are going to secure your joints. So you need that one also in your shop. You make sure you look for it, because there's no any other alternative of making it, of tightening your joints. The next one, then we have this one. It's called the grab files. Grab files, we have two types. We have the one which one is for smooth, this one. Then you have this one also for what? For rough work. And then you must have also have glue. Glue is not a tool, but it's also needed in the shop. So that one is gone. Then you have files for sharpening your saw. You need a file for sharpening the handsaw and other files. So I think I've exhausted everything, and you know now what to do or what you can start with in the shop. So I continue thanking you for watching. Yes, I thought that I had exhausted everything, but we have hammers. That one is for smaller nails. Then we have this one, it's also for big nails. So if you have those two, they can be enough. We have more than two types of hammers. Then there is a bowel saw. Bowel saw is also needed in the workshop. It is good for cutting across the timber. Actually, it is easier for using that one than using across cuts. This one is also a compensator, half inch. You can use it even for mixing. Then this one is also a compensator. We have 1/4 inch, the smallest. Then we have 5. It's for smooth work. Apa mambira ko shendele head itai for apa hasa kamera shendele head itai one amalile. So thank you very much for watching. So thank you very much for watching. I promise you I'm continuing to make videos. If you are new on this channel, you are welcome to the family. And if you are new, please subscribe. Then I will need comments down there, down, so that I can know what I'm doing. Is it good? Is it bad? So that I can change where I go next. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you great wealth and health. God bless you.